Hello, welcome to UNGER and our Lifehack video on the nLITEConnect water-fed pole system. Let's go! For cleaning hard-to-reach areas, there's a modular angle system for our round nLITEConnect water-fed poles. It consists of up to 3 elements that can be combined in many variations and adjusted individually. The perfect angle for every application. The angle is inserted very simply and quickly into the round nLITEConnect pole and fastened with the clamp. This means that our current nLITE brushes fit onto the round nLITEConnect poles. They are fixed simply with a click. If you liked it, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see regularly the latest feature and life hack videos on our nLITE water-fed pole system.